Hey there everybody, how's it going today? Fred here at Twoloosebricks, and I've got a Bricklink haul. Let's get right into it. So, my Bricklink package came in the mail. Not opened yet, we're going to open that. And I also got a barcode scanner, which is a piece of equipment for doing barcodes for my Bricklink store. So I guess it's all kind of like tied together, I guess you want to call it. But anyway, let's open up the package first and see what I got in there. Okay, so I'm going to open this bag gingerly because I want to keep the bag and use it for future reference because it is a good bag, or a parcel wrapper, or whatever you want to call these things. Envelopes, I guess, is what you want to call them. Okay, so let's open it and see what we got here. Now this came just from a couple provinces away in Quebec, so it's not too bad. Oh wow, this is really cool. I've never seen this before. All the parts are vacuum sealed. Like all the parts that I ordered are in a total vacuum sealed bag, so they won't move around. That is really cool. I thought maybe it was on cardboard because it felt pretty stiff, but that is really, really unique. And I gotta say, that was pretty neat. And that came from Canada First Bricks in Saint Laurent, Quebec, Canada. But anyway, yeah, I've never seen that done before. That is so unique. It's just like when you buy meat at a store or a deli and it's all pre-packed and it's vacuum sealed. That is, it's so interesting. I almost don't want to take it out. That is so cool. That is a true vacuum pack. That's not like, whatever. Just an easy vacuum pack that the air gets back into it. That's a true vacuum pack. I gotta actually stop this video, take a picture of it, and come back. Hang on. Okay, I got my picture and I came back. I wonder if it'll poof up with air as soon as I cut it. Let's see. Ah, and it did too. But that being said, I gotta check all the parts, make sure they're all there, and go from there. So that's what I got in that bag. So that's really like super cool. Now the barcode scanner is this rig right here. Now this one here is USB power. It just plugs right into the USB, and you can scan barcodes, of course, just like they have here. All the different types of barcodes it can scan, UPCs, code 39s, 128s, all that kind of stuff. I'm just going to be using it to code all my bin numbers in my Bricklink store to make it a lot easier and quicker when doing inventory or checking stuff out or whatever have you. So the bins, which would be like your location numbers or your item location where you would store it. And also I got it for other things too, which involve UPCs for another sideline I have. But it's great for scanning things quick and dirty, and they don't have to be typing all the time. So I have converted all my bins over to barcodes while I was waiting. And yeah, it took time and patience and a lot of effort on my part to do that. But that being said, it's going to make life a lot easier down the road. So that's why I got that. And the price was right. It was only like $24.95 through Amazon. So it's great. It's just like an input device on your PC or laptop. It's great. So even if I went to a Lego show or something, I can take it with me, and if I decide to sell stuff, then I can just do it, and I can get a quick update on inventory as I sell stuff, and I don't really have to do a true inventory POS system type of thing. I can just scan every item as I sell it, and it keeps track of it, and doing some coding that I come up with that I can track my inventory that I sell, and it will tally it at the end of the session or the end of the day or whatever you want. And I'm going to keep coding, so I may even end up building my own POS system, because there's really nothing out there for a small business or a Bricklink business like that that's free, number one, easy to use, number two, and most of the stuff you can get for 7 days or something. Even for making barcodes is only like 7 days, but I came up with a way for that is free and will last forever. Anyway, that's that aside. Going back to this here, this is all the parts I got. These were all parts required to build at least one set, if not two. The main set out of this was what was required that I didn't have to build the Harry Potter's Grand Staircase. Now, that was the gift with purchase just 2 weeks ago, and I missed out because by the time I got to it to order it in Canada, they were completely wiped out of them, sold right out of them, because I don't know what the reason was, but I don't think they had enough, to tell you the God's truth, knowing what the North American pocketbook is like. And when you get Harry Potter, people want more and more, and when you see free stuff, they're going to buy it. That being said, I couldn't get it. Yes, I was disappointed, so I'm just going to, I built it myself, got the instructions, piecing it together, and now I got the parts. I can do that, make it the stickers for it down the road, and go from there. Also, I'm going to, that's why the brown steers is being used for. And I got 2 sets of black steers, which I'm going to make the platform of the latest, well, it's not really the newest, but it is the latest one currently out there right now, of the Hogwarts Express. I already have a Hogwarts Express from 2010, but this is the newer one, the platform for the newer one, platform 9 3/4, and the little bridge that comes up and over. It's a lot cheaper to piece the parts together and get the instructions and build them yourself. So that's what I'm doing. That's my haul. Hope you did like it and enjoy it. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more hauls and stuff like that, or if you have any interest in barcoding your Bricklink store stuff, or barcoding in general. Let me know, and we'll do some of that. Why not? Alright, this is Fred at Twoloosebricks. Until next time, we'll see you later, and stay safe.